Hi there, this is Hans at Siegecraft Electronics. Today I got something fun for you. I got a new product introduction for testing out the flipper Opto boards on a Williams or Bally WPC generation machine that runs a Fliptronic system. Cute little thing, self-contained. All you need is the tester itself, the Opto board, and pretty much that's it. This was a design submitted to me by someone else. I liked it enough to put it into production right away. We're going to go through real quick, show you how it works, what it can do for you, and hopefully it'll answer a few questions for you. Here we have the tester unit itself, which is, as I said before, self-contained. Runs on a 9-volt battery that's strapped right on the back of the board, so you don't need anything else other than the tester itself and the Opto board. Designed to work with any of the factory designs, either Type 1 or Type 2, and should also work well with any of the aftermarket boards. This is a Rotten Dog unit here. And when I say the aftermarket boards, I mean the ones that are used with an opto interrupter. There are some units out there that operate on a magnet system. I do not know if this will work with those or not. I haven't tested it with that style system. It's really very simple to use. You basically just need to connect the wiring connector here onto the opto tester board. What you'll notice right away is you got two LEDs powering on. This tells you that the opto is both working as far as the transmitter and receiver. Transmitter is transmitting, receiver is receiving. You get the light on there, and if you take a convenient business card or such and put it right in the opto, the associated LED will shut off. That lets you know that the receiver is working properly and not just stuck, which sometimes happens. You do have to remember a couple little quirks with this is because of how powerful the factory optos are, you need to use something fairly opaque. If you use a thin piece of paper, as you can see there, it doesn't quite take the LED out all the way. Really not much to it there. You're just looking for the lights to come on when you plug it in, the lights to turn off when you block the opto, and that's pretty much it. Anything else would indicate a problem, such as if the lights don't turn on when you plug it in, or if the lights don't turn off when you interrupt the opto. You might also see sometimes an LED that is somewhat dim. That also indicates a problem in there somewhere. On the factory optos, it's pretty simple. You only have one opto per circuit there, so just replace that unit. On some of the aftermarkets that have separate units, you got to kind of diagnose whether it's the transmitter or receiver, but usually it's going to be in a paired unit like this here. And if for every reason you don't think anything is working, a handy battery tester is included here. Just press the button on the board, let you know your battery is good. And that's really all that is to it. Do note that this is a 9-volt battery, and while the opto boards initially are designed to run on 12 volts, the 9-volt actually works a little bit in your favor here, because a board that is kind of sketchy running on 12-volt power marginal probably won't work on the 9-volt, so it'll indicate problems a little more often than if I was running on the 12-volt as well. But otherwise it will work just fine on the 9-volt. And for a little more advanced users, I did include here, if you want to power an external IR illuminator, there's an extra resistor spot here and a power header. That's for if you want to add that in on your own. I did not include that initially as I produced them, just because there are enough aftermarket boards and factory boards, and there is some difference in the infrared illuminators that they use. So I didn't want to put something in there that might cause problems or false indications. But if you want to use that, that is available for you. And really, that's just about it. There's not much to these. Quick, simple, as we call it in the military, it's a go or no-go indicator, which tells you if it works or if it doesn't. And these are available now. It's from Siegecraft Electronics at www.siegecraft.us. Pricing is, that'll be up on the website. I'm not going to put in the video just in case it changes over time. And thank you very much for watching.